Traveling with kids is one of the most rewarding ways to bond as a family. But let's be honest, it can sometimes feel like a chaotic, stress-filled marathon. From dealing with restless kids on long flights to juggling snacks and toys in the car, it's easy for things to spiral out of control. Now, imagine a different scenario. A vacation where everything runs smoothly, everyone stays entertained, and you're actually able to relax. Sounds too good to be true? Well, with the right gadgets, it's possible. In today's video, we're going to show you 10 game-changing travel gadgets that will make your next family trip a breeze. Whether you're flying, driving, or just headed to the hotel, these must-haves are here to save the day. Let's get started. Number 1. Jet Kids by Stocky Ridebox. Picture this. You're walking through the airport, and instead of hearing complaints about being tired or how much longer, your child is happily zooming ahead on their very own suitcase. The Jet Kids by Stocky Ridebox is not just luggage. It's an in-flight bed, a ride-on toy, and a smart storage solution all in one. For $229 on Amazon.com, this innovative gadget transforms the stressful airport experience into an adventure your child will love. And once you're on the plane, it turns into a comfortable bed, allowing your little one to nap peacefully during long-haul flights. It's durable, lightweight, and designed to make family travel a whole lot easier. Number 2. Baby Zen Yo-Yo 2 Stroller. Traveling with kids often means hauling around a heavy, bulky stroller, but the Baby Zen Yo-Yo 2 Stroller is here to make life so much easier. This lightweight, ultra-compact stroller folds down in seconds to the size of a small carry-on, so compact it even fits in most airplane overhead bins. No more gate-checking strollers or struggling to navigate crowded airports. Priced at $449 on Amazon.com, the Yo-Yo 2 doesn't compromise on comfort or functionality. Its padded, reclining seat keeps your little one cozy, while the adjustable canopy provides sun protection on those long sightseeing days. The one-handed fold makes transitions a breeze, and its smooth wheels are perfect for everything from cobblestone streets to busy terminals. Whether you're strolling through cityscapes or theme parks, the Yo-Yo 2 is the ultimate travel companion for families. Practical, stylish, and built to last, it's a stroller that works as hard as you do. Number 3. Compact collapsible water bottles. Staying hydrated on family trips is essential, but bulky water bottles can quickly eat up valuable bag space. That's where the Hideaway collapsible water bottle comes to the rescue. This innovative, BPA-free bottle collapses down to just 1.5 inches when empty, small enough to fit in your pocket, backpack, or even your kid's travel bag. When expanded, it holds up to 17 ounces of liquid, making it perfect for long flights, car rides, or day trips. The bottle's leak-proof design and dishwasher-safe material ensure convenience, while its compact size makes it an eco-friendly alternative to single-use plastic bottles. For just $34.95 on HideawayBottle.com, this space-saving solution keeps your family hydrated and travel bags organized. It's a win-win for parents on the go. Number 4. Slumber Pod. Let's face it, sleeping in a hotel room with kids can be stressful. Between the bright lights and constant noise, getting your little one to sleep can be a challenge. Enter the Slumber Pod, a portable blackout tent that transforms any hotel room, Airbnb, or even a shared space into a private, dark sleeping oasis for your child. Priced at $152.99 on Amazon.com, it fits over cribs, playyards, or toddler mattresses, ensuring your child gets the rest they need, no matter where you are. It's easy to set up, breathable, and makes bedtime feel just like home. Number 5. Portable white noise machine. A good night's sleep can be hard to come by when you're traveling with kids, especially in noisy environments like airplanes or hotels. The portable white noise machine is a pocket-sized device that drowns out background noise and creates a calming atmosphere. At just $15.98 on Amazon.com, it's a budget-friendly way to help your child relax and fall asleep, no matter where you are. With multiple sound options like ocean waves, rainfall, or simple white noise, this gadget is perfect for soothing your little ones during naps and bedtime. Hey there! If you have gotten some information from this video so far, kindly take a moment to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It goes a long way to help in making more useful content. And don't forget to share it with a friend who might benefit from it too. Now let's get back to the remaining travel gadgets. Number 6. Bubble Bum Inflatable Booster Seat. Need a booster seat for your child, but hate the hassle of carrying one? The Bubble Bum Inflatable Booster Seat is here to save the day. Lightweight and portable, it inflates in seconds and deflates just as quickly, making it perfect for taxis, rental cars, or carpools. Priced at $37.98 on Amazon.com, it's designed for kids aged 4 to 11 and meets all safety standards. Its compact size allows you to pack it in your suitcase or even your child's backpack. It's a practical and affordable option for families constantly on the move. Number 7. Baby Night Vision Baby Car Camera. When you're traveling at night with your little one in the back seat, it can be tough to keep an eye on them without turning around or stopping the car. The Baby Night Vision Car Camera solves this problem by offering a clear, high-definition view of your baby, even in low-light conditions, so you can monitor them without the distraction of looking back. Priced at $99.99 on Amazon.com, this camera is designed to attach to the rear seat of your vehicle, offering both day and night visibility through its infrared night vision feature. It comes with a wide-angle lens that gives you a clear view of your baby's seat, allowing you to easily check on them via your car's built-in display or a separate monitor. With its easy installation and adjustable angles, the Baby Night Vision camera ensures you can always keep an eye on your child, no matter the time of day or night. For parents who want to travel safely and stress-free, this gadget offers an essential solution to keep your child visible and your mind at ease, especially during those nighttime road trips. Number 8. Magic Sketch by Boogie Board. Keeping kids entertained during travel can be a challenge, but the Magic Sketch by Boogie Board is a lifesaver. This reusable LCD drawing tablet allows kids to doodle, play games, or practice writing without the mess of markers or crayons. Priced at $24.12 on Amazon.com, it's lightweight, durable, and perfect for flights, car rides, or waiting in lines. With a variety of drawing templates included, it's both fun and educational, making it a great travel companion for kids of all ages. Number 9. Thermos Vacuum Insulated Food Jar. Traveling with kids often means bringing meals or snacks on the go. The Thermos Vacuum Insulated Food Jar keeps food warm or cold for hours, ensuring your child enjoys fresh meals wherever you are. Priced at $19.99 on Amazon.com, this spill-proof jar is compact enough to fit in your bag, but large enough to hold a satisfying portion. Whether you're packing soup for a flight or yogurt for a road trip, this food jar is a reliable and practical choice for parents. Number 10. Hiccapop Inflatable Toddler Bed Rail Bumper. Sleeping in unfamiliar beds can be tricky for toddlers, but the Hiccapop Inflatable Toddler Bed Rail Bumper provides a simple and effective solution. Lightweight and easy to inflate, this bumper creates a secure barrier to keep your child from rolling out of bed. Priced at $54.92 on Amazon.com, it's perfect for hotel stays, sleepovers, or visiting relatives. It deflates and packs down small, making it easy to carry wherever you go. Safe, comfortable, and convenient, it's a must-have for stress-free travel with toddlers. Family travel doesn't have to be stressful. With these gadgets, it can be an adventure everyone enjoys. Which of these would you pack for your next trip? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more family travel tips and must-have gadgets. Until next time, happy travels!